Recently, I spent hours researching some faceless YouTube channels to get new ideas for starting another one. You won't believe what I found. I came across a faceless YouTube channel that's simply sharing cute and funny clips of animals. People can't stop watching. They've only uploaded 42 videos, but they have over 1.1 million subscribers. That's a huge number, right? They started just a year ago, and if we look at their earnings on Social Blade, they are making over $3,000 every month from these simple videos. If I sort their videos by popularity, you'll see they get lots of views, which shows this niche still has a lot of potential. We can replicate their success and earn similar amounts. And guess what? You don't need to create your own animal videos. I'll show you the easiest way to find these videos legally so you can use them on other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. It's easier than you think, so hit that like and subscribe button, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. First, we need to find some cute animal videos. We'll use powerful Chinese apps like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, Kuaishou, and Xiaohongshu, which have tons of animal videos. In this video, we'll use Xiaohongshu, but you can choose any app you like and get similar results. You can download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you're using Android. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for Xiaohongshu, download it, and register. If it doesn't work in your region, consider using a VPN. Once registered, you'll see an interface where you need to select up to 4 of your interests. Here's a quick hack. Select pets and animals first before choosing the other 3. This way, you'll see plenty of animal videos. You can also choose pets on the Explore page if you want. Look for videos with many views and engagement, such as likes and comments. Avoid videos with less than 100,000 views. For this tutorial, let's find 2 videos. One with subtitles or captions, and one without. This will help me show you how to remove Chinese subtitles using a simple method. I found a video that's quite interesting and has no subtitles or captions, which is perfect. Let's download this as our first video. To download, tap the share icon at the top right corner, then tap copy link. This will copy the video link to your clipboard. Next, go to the video description and click the video download link, which will bring you to a page with various video downloaders for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc. At the top menu, you can also extract videos from Chinese apps like Douyin, Xiaohongshu, and Bilibili. The tool is free, fast, and doesn't require sign-up. Paste the copied link and click Submit. You'll see the video thumbnail. Click the Download Video button to save it to your device. Now let's find the other video with subtitles or captions. I found a good one, so let's repeat the previous steps to download it. Next, we need to edit the videos to add some humor and originality. First, let's get a funny caption for the first video using ChatGPT. I will drag and drop the video thumbnail I downloaded into ChatGPT, the latest version GPT 4.0, which offers free usage with limitations. For the prompt, you can say, "Based on the image, please give me funny captions for my YouTube Shorts videos." As you can see, ChatGPT provided some captions in less than 10 seconds. Adding funny captions makes the video unique, original, and more engaging, encouraging viewers to like and comment, so don't forget that. With our caption ready, the next step is editing. We'll use CapCut, a beginner-friendly and free tool. Open CapCut and start a new project. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is suitable for Shorts content, and save. Import the downloaded video and add it to the timeline. Since the video has no caption, we'll remove the sound to avoid copyright strikes and add our own audio and captions. Right-click the video, choose Extract Audio, then delete the audio. We deleted the audio so that we don't get any copyright strikes on our videos. Next, go to the upper section, click on Audio, select Commercial Music, search for the music you want, and add it to the track. This is free audio you can use without any copyright issues on your videos. Trim the audio to match the video length by dragging the playhead to the end of the video clip and hitting W on your keyboard to cut the unnecessary part of the audio. Now go back to ChatGPT and select a suitable caption. It should be funny, for instance, this one right here. I will copy it and go back to CapCut. Drag the playhead to where you want the caption to appear, click Text from the top menu, and click the plus icon. Paste or type in your caption. To make it look more professional and attractive, Adjust the font style, size, and colors, and you're done. Let's see the final result. Once done, save your edited video by clicking Export, setting the frame rate to 60 FPS, and choosing where to save the video. For the second video with Chinese subtitles, import it and add it to the timeline. To translate the Chinese captions, I will take a screenshot of the first scene with text. Use an online tool, link in the video description, to extract the text from the screenshot, then translate it using Google Translate or ChatGPT. For this video, I will demonstrate the ChatGPT method, which is very simple. I will import the screenshot from my folder to this section. After importing it, click on the Convert button. This will take a few seconds to load. Voila! You can see that it has extracted the text from the image I imported. Head over to ChatGPT and input a prompt. I told ChatGPT that I will paste in some text which is in Chinese, and it should be translated into English. Hit enter and paste in the Chinese text. This prompt will let you translate all the text without typing in every prompt for every translation. Copy the translated text and add it as a new caption in CapCut, adjusting the font and colors to cover the old caption. Make sure the text background covers the Chinese text. We are going to add a voiceover if necessary using CapCut's text-to-speech feature or other tools like 11 Labs.
Sweet as honey at the corners of the mouth.
And you can choose the preferred voice. Play the video again to check for other captions, repeat the translation and captioning process, and make sure all captions are covered. Let me do the editing, and I will show you the final results.
Sweet as honey at the corners of the mouth. Enticing eyelashes. I am a sexy little wildcat. Hi.
Now that you understand the process, it's time to take action. Create your YouTube Shorts channel today and start uploading. Stay consistent to avoid burnout, and remember that success on YouTube is a journey, not a sprint. Keep creating, learning, and growing. Your breakthrough moment is just around the corner. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Don't.